is an important sense organ. You're using information provided by your eyes right now to watch this. This is a horse's eye. It has a similar structure to ours. The white outer covering is called the sclera. At the front, it's transparent and allows light to enter the eye. This clear part is called the cornea, and through it you can see the back of the eyeball. The sclera is tough. It protects the eye and helps to give it shape. Cut a window in the back of the sclera and you can see the layer below. It's rich in blood vessels. Beneath is the retina. This is the light-sensitive part that receives images. A camera allows us to look straight through the eye. As the hand moves around, you can see how the image on the retina is upside down. Cutting into the sclera releases a clear jelly-like substance. This is the vitreous humour, and it fills the main chamber in the eyeball. Cutting the eye in half completely reveals the lens. It's a clear jelly-like blob held in place by fine ligaments which surround it. The lens in a horse eye is fairly large, but just like a human lens, it's quite firm and elastic. The colour of your eye is determined by a disc of coloured tissue called the iris. In cross-section, the eye looks similar to this. The lens sits behind the cornea and the iris. The hole in the centre is called the pupil. Switch on a bright light and the iris expands, making the pupil smaller. The iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The retina lines the interior of the eyeball. Light entering the eye is bent by the lens and focused on the retina. The lens does this by changing shape. Remember how elastic it is. Its shape is changed by the surrounding muscle fibers. This thin layer of white tissue at the back of the eye is the light-sensitive retina. Nerve fibers from all parts of the retina pass out of the eye through the blind spot. These fibers form the optic nerve, which carries electrical impulses to the brain and allows us to see an image.
Close or close? That's the question. To close the door or something that is close by? Same spelling, different pronunciation, different meaning.